So here we're going to learn how to make an HDRI. So first we are going to go to Polyhaven and you're going to download an HDR that I like. So this is the one I chose, which I found really pretty. Afterwards, we had to make sure it's an EXR and then we download it. So I just have to wait for it to download. Okay, now it's ready. So now I'm just gonna open it up just so it can appear in my downloads. So see, it's here now. Okay, now I go to Blender. I open a new Blender file. And I'm gonna open World Properties. And then I'm gonna press New and I'm gonna press a yellow circle. There's many things, but I'm gonna press Environment Texture. And then like that. Then I'm going to split my screen in half. And then on the left side, I'm going to go to this grid and I'm going to press Shader Editor. I'm going to remove that. And then I'm going to go to Object. Then I'm going to put World. So now you can see Environment Texture. So now I'm going to open the file that says Open. And then I'm going to go to Downloads and I'm going to have to find the HDRI. So, one second, no. So I just need to check the name. So, Symmetrical Garden. I write that down. I found the EXR. I click on it and then I open the image. It's not going to appear right now, but then afterwards I'm going to go to, just going to remove that. Then I'm going to go press the circle over there to the right. Then you're going to see how the square just changes color. Then afterwards, I am going to go press that arrow down. I'm going to press the UV sphere. I'm going to choose the one that looks like something like my HDRI. So for example, that one. Then I'm going to press Scene World. So now you can see that the HDRI is like your background. So now, what we're supposed to do is delete the cube, and then you're going to choose a UV sphere. Afterwards, you go to Modifiers, and then you're going to add Subdivision Surface. Right there. Then I'm going to change Levels View to 2. So it can become more smooth. Afterwards, I'm going to press New. Then, Now we go to Use Nodes. And then you're going to put Specular as 1. And then Roughness as 0. Then you're going to change the base color to black. And then now you can see that the UV sphere is now mirroring the background, and that is how you do an HDRI.